Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get builder-based trophies. To begin, focus on upgrading your battle machine and your favorite offensive troops. These are crucial for winning battles. Prioritize the Star Laboratory to quickly enhance your troop levels, giving you a significant advantage. Learning effective attack strategies for different base designs is also key. Consistently engaging in versus battles will help you earn stars and steadily increase your trophy count. Mastering your attack strategy is vital for gaining trophies. Always scout opponent bases carefully to identify their weaknesses and potential trap locations. Deploy your troops strategically to funnel them towards key defenses, maximizing their effectiveness. Remember to activate your battle machine's ability at critical moments for maximum impact and extra damage. Always aim for at least 2 stars or a 3-star victory to secure the most trophies from each battle. A strong defense is just as important as a strong offense. Design a base layout that effectively protects your builder hall, making it difficult for attackers to reach. Place high-damage defenses, such as the Mega Tesla and Crusher, centrally to cover vital areas. Utilize walls and traps strategically to slow down and damage incoming enemy troops. Consistently upgrading your defensive structures will help them withstand even the most powerful attacks. Consistent progress is key to climbing the trophy ladder. Always upgrade your builder hall when possible to unlock new troops, defenses, and building levels. Make sure to participate in versus battles daily to maximize your trophy gains and resource collection. Don't be afraid to experiment with different army compositions to find what works best for your playstyle. Remember to learn from every battle, whether it's a win or a loss, to continuously improve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.